Hello guys, welcome to Bee Swarm Simulator, and let's claim this hive right here. So we need to get an egg right here. Let's place it there. We got a basic bee. We got a new type discovered. So let's get in our quest tab, and let's get a quest from this black bear right here. We have to collect 100 pollen from the sunflower field. So this should be easy. So we have to just click, and our bees will help us. Yeah, our bees are helping us. Right here. So let me just finish this quest, which I already did. Now let's go get back to Black Bear and turn the quest in. Nice, we got 200 honey. Okay guys, now let's go make honey. That's the main point about this game. I'm gonna be making honey. So bye. Hello guys, you can see I've changed it a little, and I got a silver apron quest. Let's see what we get. Okay, we got a cool bee. We got a new type discovered. So that was a cool bee. That's rare. I have to take a bathroom break. So bye. Hello guys, after my bathroom break I got a basic egg. Let's see what we hatch. Wow, we got another cool bee. Awesome. That's still a rare. Now let's feed some treats to our bees. So let's feed this one right here. So we're getting our bees to level 2. And we might as well get them to level 3. It costs 4 treats to get it up to level 3. We would have to let's convert our pollen. Let's make some honey. Let's make some honey right here. We're getting honey fast, but it's draining down. I think it can hold 350 capacity. It can hold 3,500 capacity at a time. So I would only give it to 4 bees for today's video. So just hope you guys like and subscribe. Bye bye.